Okay, hello students. Okay, we are talking today again about measurement. This unit is all about measurement, and yesterday we talked about customary units of capacity, and today we're talking about units of weight. And what that means is how much something weighs. And this is very something you should be very familiar with. When you are born, you are so many pounds and so many ounces. Okay, so we know when we get on a scale, we're measuring our weight. So you should be familiar with this terminology. Today we are talking about customary units. And so we're talking about three very common units of measurement for weight: an ounce, a pound, and a ton. And what's good about this is there's not a whole lot of overlapping. There's a lot of difference between these weights. So it's a little bit easier to determine what unit of measure you would use to measure something that we're familiar with, common items that we know about, and which is what we're going to be doing just like we did the other day. So a pencil, this kind of gives you an idea. A pencil weighs about 1 ounce. Okay, so that gives you an idea if you can figure out, okay, how many pencils would something weigh, and then you can kind of have a visual. Okay, a small tablet computer like like an iPad, like we use from Miss Kelso's class, is going to weigh about a pound. And a car, which is very, very big and heavy, is going to weigh about a ton. So when we're looking, go ahead and make sure you have pages 787 and 788 in front of you. Okay, just like the other day with capacity, we are looking through 1 through 16. Okay, and you are circling the better estimate for each one. So we're looking at an egg here. Is an egg going to be about 1 ounce or 1 pound? And use your examples up here. Is this egg going to be about the weight of one of the pencils or about the weight of one of these tablets? We don't think it's going to weigh this much. An egg is probably going to weigh about 1 ounce. So that's what we're doing here. What about a cat? Is it going to weigh about 10 pencils, 10 ounces, or 10 of these computer tablets? 10 pencils is not going to weigh much at all. It's going to probably be closer to 10 pounds. So do you see what I'm doing here? I'm kind of looking to see, am I going to weigh this chair? Is this chair going to be about 15 pounds or is it going to be about 150 pounds? So look at your examples and figure out what would make the most sense, okay? And you're going to do that for all of the ones on the front. On the back, we're looking at number 17 and 18, and we're using these pictures. So number 17 says, list the 4 objects shown to the right in order from one that weighs the least to the one that weighs the most. Guys, that is a least to greatest question. You're going to list these items, the screwdriver, the bicycle, the football, and the truck, in order from least to greatest, and you're going to list those objects. Okay, and then on number 18, it says list 2 objects that weigh about the same as a football, and list 2 objects that weigh more than a bicycle. So you're going to use your own objects that you can think of. 2 objects that weigh about the same as a football, okay, and 2 objects that weigh more than a bicycle, okay. Number 20, which of the following objects should be measured in ounces? A marker, a couch, a blender, or a microwave oven? You're going to answer that. Number 22, how much does the orange weigh? And you can see that it says in here, each stack of weights is about 1 ounce. So this is 1 ounce and this is 1 ounce. So if the balance, if this is means this orange weighs about as much as, it weighs as much as these weights over here. So if this is an ounce and this is an ounce, how many ounces are total? About 2 ounces. And that's what you're going to put for your answer. The oranges weighs 2 ounces. Okay, I'm just looking at this. It says each stack has 3 1-ounce weights. So each stack has 3 1-ounce weights. So I was wrong here. Each one has 3 1-ounce weights. So this would be 3 ounces. And this one would be 3 ounces because each one of these little weights is 1 ounce. So it's actually how many ounces is the orange? 6 ounces. Okay, I had to reread that. I had to read that carefully. Okay, so that is your answer for that one, and we walked through that. Okay, if you all have any questions, make sure you reach out to me, and I'm here for you, and I miss you all very much. Have a great day.